Hey guys, it's Inkling Boy here, and today I wanted to show you about this paper that's under this picture of an Octoling girl from the Octo expansion. That's like a picture of that I printed out. You can tell because it's black and white. But I wanted to talk to you about this paper under it. This is called transfer paper, and if you don't know what transfer paper is, then I'll tell you all about it. It's a paper that can transfer a photo when you draw with it onto this paper. So like if I flip over the transfer paper, you can see I've drawn some of it. Like see right there. So I'm gonna teach you how to use transfer paper, just in case you don't know how to use it. And I'll tell you after the video how I like it, and it benefits me. Okay, all you have to really do is, you basically just, let me just get an angle there. You basically just draw on a line that's part of the picture. Like, we're gonna finish off the shadow, and then we're done with the whole picture anyway. So you basically draw on this photo, and then transfer paper will transfer the line on to the paper under the transfer paper, on my sketch paper. No, it doesn't have to be perfect, but it should be at least good enough. I'm doing the best I can. I'm sure you will too. There we go, it's all done now. Like, the whole thing should be finished, at least I think. Let's see. Close enough, close. It could be better, but it's alright. I'm gonna make edits to it a bit myself. There. It's close enough. Whoops. So that's how you do it. So, like, you can try it with your own transfer paper at home. And I really think it's good. Okay, I will see you guys later. Bye-bye!